Hi everyone, Ryan for Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm part of a collaboration. It's a hot dog collaboration with the hashtag Bring On Summer 2021. I've got some hot dogs here. This is a Jalapeno and Red Leicester hot dog, and this is a whiskey smoked barrel pork hot dog. I'm going to be cooking these on my Weber Kettle, which is all fired up and ready to go. I've also got some bacon over there, which I've cubed up. I'm going to cook that on my flat top. I've got some onion, which I sliced up as well finely. That's going to go on my flat top as well. You can see it all being cooked in real time. Let's get to cooking. Right, so the flat top's nice and hot. It's a big Horde flat top, which is really cool. Got a sandwich video that I've done on it, which was my first cook. It's really nice. I'll get these onions on. Also bosh a bit of this bacon on. I was expecting it all to come out in little bits, but never mind. Right, let's spread this out on the griddle, and I'll bring you back in a minute. As you can see, got all the onion laid out nicely. Bacon's cooking away. Smells delicious already. We've just got to put the hot dogs on, which is the main event for this collaboration. So I'm going to turn this down low. Just let them go easy. And then we'll stick the hot dogs on. So these hot dogs are a bit posh. This is a pork blend with Red Leicester and Jalapeno. I'm really looking forward to trying this. And again, this one is another pork blend smoked over whiskey barrel chips, so it's got a nice smokiness already. When I bosh these in a roll, hopefully it's going to look all right, because I've got some cheddar cheese as well. I've already grated up, so I'm going to cook all of this indirect. Once the sausage is cooked, it's all going to melt down lovely and nice with the bacon, the onion and the cheese. It's going to be delicious, so stick with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button up there, ring the bell. If you haven't seen any of my other collaborators, check out the hashtag. Everyone will be in there. Thanks for watching. So let's get to cooking these hot dogs. Right, I'm going to bosh the hot dogs on and get them going indirect first, because obviously it's a long game. These are the Jalapeno and Red Leicester ones. And I'll get the other ones, the whiskey barrel smoked ones. You can see they got a lovely colour to these. They're nice and sort of got that smoke colour. And I'll put these ones over on that side. As you can see, hot dogs are cooking away. The smokiness on them is looking really nice. Jalapenos are cooking along. We've got the bacon over there, which is cooking nicely. The onions are caramelising up beautifully. This cook's coming along great. The cook's nearly coming to an end. I've got some lovely, this is a tiger roll, bit of French stick as well. Got some brioche buns here. They're going to go in. The hot dogs are pretty much done now. So next up, I've got to plate it all up, make it look delicious. So see you in a sec. Right, so what I've got here is some tiger loaf bread. I've cut it and made a little cavern in there. I'm going to stuff this with some cheese, only a little bit, because we've got lots of other good stuff going in there. I'm going to have some cheese on the top as well. Next up, we're going to add the sausage. Nice jalapeno one. Double click. And that's all going to go nice and melty. Then we're going to add a little bit of onion. Just over the top. Stuff it down one side. And some bacon. How good's that looking? Then guess what? More cheese. Push that down because this is going back on the barbecue. Or if nothing else is ready, you can always put it on a plate to hold and reheat them in the oven later if you want to. It's your choice. So that's all going to ooze and go beautiful. I'm going to plate up some more and bring you back when they're oozy. Right, so there we have it. There's my hot dog with all the cheese and the bacon and all that good stuff in it. I've got to eat it now. Thanks for watching the hot dog collaboration with the hashtag BringOnSummer2021. As I said, click on the hashtag, it'll be in the description or on one of the tags, and that'll take you to whoever else is doing the video. Shout out to Mr Homeowner, thank you for the invite. Look forward to seeing what you're making. Also, if you like what I do, please do hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, share everywhere, and come and look at my channel. I hope you enjoy what I'm doing. I enjoy what I'm doing. Summer's on its way, and if you want to know how to cook a really good hot dog, this is the video to watch. So this is Ryan G from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. See you again soon. Thanks for watching the collaboration. Bring on Summer 2021 with the hashtag cock.
Oh.